Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a manual collection in Shopify. I've just created this collection called under $100, but it is automatically updating. In this video, I will share with you how to create a manual one. This is the products that I have on this Shopify store. As you can see, there is some electronics products and some non-electronics product like this coffee machine, this water bottle, or this watch. And in this tutorial, I will create a manual collection dedicated for only these tech products. How to do this? It's simple. Just go to shopify.com, click on login to log into your Shopify account. Now go to products, click on collections, and to create your manual collection, first click on create collection button. Give your collection a name, for example, tech collection. And here for description, level up your everyday life with the latest in tech. And under collection type, instead of going with smart, I will go with manual. I will select manual. And here I will add my tech products manually. Click on browse, and this is my keyboard. This is gaming mouse. Coffee machine is not tech. This power bank, JBL wireless earbuds, storage space, silver watch no, green hand soap no, and this is the controller. Click on add. As you can see, this is my manual collection products, and here for search engine listing I will skip it. For publishing, you can select where you are selling these collection. In my case, I will make it available only for this online store. And here for image, I will select something technology. For example, you can go with let's go with this image. It shows multiple technology product. And now click on this save button. To view this collection, click on view on your online store. And as you can see, this is your collection title, description, and now this page called check collection only shows your selected products. Now, how to add this collection to your navigation menu? It's simple. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, how to add this collection to your navigation menu? It's simple. Just go back to your Shopify account, go to content, select menus, and click on the menu that you are using here. If you don't remember it, it is simple. Just look to these navigation items. It starts with home and ends with under $100. So look here, and as you can see, this is mine. It starts with home and ends with $100. My bad, I've entered it. Now it is the same one, so this is the navigation menu I need to edit. Click on add menu item. Here click on link, go to collections, and select your manual collection. This is it. You can edit this collection name that you are seeing here. In my case, I will keep it tech collection. And before clicking on save, you can reorder this navigation menu like that. Let's click on this save button. Menu updated. Now let's refresh this page, and this is my manual collection added to this navigation menu. And this is how to create a manual collection in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.